We're seeing the lightning. We're hearing the thunder here at our downtown studios.
A lot going on. Quite busy out there. Flash flood warning now in and around the Metroplex. So some high water out there. If you can give yourself some extra time today and hold off on heading out, I do recommend you doing that here because, we do have the flash flood warning. We just talked about that cluster of storms moving right through the middle of the Metroplex, and that's what we have here right now. You see from Irving down into Dallas. We'll zoom in on this area. And again, we do have that flash flood warning. It does include the far eastern parts of Tarrant County into Dallas and Ellis County, a little farther south there. So you can see from downtown Dallas heading out toward Balch Springs, Mesquite, starting to see some heavy rain out toward Seagoville as well, in and around Irving, back toward Grand Prairie, and you see down toward Cedar Hill and Duncanville looking at some heavy rain. So there's the flash flood warning. It goes until 9:15 here this morning. So we've already picked up 1.5 inches, approaching 2 inches of rain in some areas, and that will continue with the heavy rain as it continues to come down in this area. So definitely be aware of that. Again, the flash flood warning until 9:15 for those areas. We can even get in a little bit closer in and around Dallas, heading up Central Expressway, down Highway 67. So really anywhere you go in Dallas County, we do have some heavy rain coming down right now, that pushing out toward Garland and Mesquite as well here this morning. So the flash flooding will be a concern right in the heart of the Metroplex. That extends a little farther south, getting down into the northern part of Ellis County. So Lancaster, you're going to be included in that as well with that heavy rain. And as we put that back into motion, you see how widespread the showers and storms are. Nothing severe, but again, the heavy rain will lead to some ponding out there for sure, and some localized flash flooding that you will have to be aware of here as we go through the next few hours here through the morning commute. A little farther west, you're going to be rain-free for the most part into Tarrant County. Denton County, you have the storms rolling through, but the showers and storms have really tapered off for you. So you see the back edge of that line of storms moving through. So there will be a little bit of a lull as we head toward the latter half of the morning rush and after. But then as we head into the afternoon, I do think we will see a few more thunderstorms developing across the area. Only 4 counties included in the severe thunderstorm watch. That goes until 7 a.m., so that will be allowed to expire as well. But flooding right now going to be the immediate concern in and around Dallas and Fort Worth. And as we go through the day today, we're still going to have a marginal low wind risk for some strong and severe thunderstorms across the area, with hail and wind being the main concerns as we go through the day today. So as we take a look at our timecast, taking us through the morning hours again, showers and storms do taper off. The line that we're dealing with here this morning moves off to the east. But again, there will be some scattered activity around as we head later into today as well. So it won't be as widespread, I don't think, with the showers and storms for that afternoon commute. But we will have some rain and thunderstorms out there with that hail and wind continuing to be a concern. Those will taper off, I think, as we head into this evening. And hopefully it looks like it will be dry for the morning rush tomorrow. But that will change during the day as we are expecting more widespread showers and storms around. That's why we do have a weather alert day in effect for Thursday. So we will still see another batch of showers and storms, especially late Thursday heading into Friday, the way it looks now with the rain and storms moving in. So we do have that coverage taking you through the end of the week. 70% coverage as we get into Thursday night going into Friday. Widespread showers and storms, again, with that low and severe risk continuing across the area. But the good news is I don't think the weekend will be a washout. We'll start to see the showers and storms tapering off some as we get into Saturday and Sunday. We should be dry there. So we will be in between systems, it looks like, before the weekend is over. So that will be the good news. But yes, in the meantime, we will have the widespread rain pushing through the area. And before it's all said and done, we're talking about 1/2 inch to 1 inch. We've already gotten over that here this morning in some areas. And so we will definitely see some isolated higher amounts. And we have seen that here this morning in and around the Metroplex. Here's the 14-day forecast for you. We are looking at plenty of rain and thunderstorms around today. That will be the case as we head into tomorrow. Tomorrow night going into Friday, it looks like the best time frame for those showers and thunderstorms as we wrap up the week, and still some isolated to scattered activity around on Saturday as well. We'll be up around 83 for that high, mostly sunny skies by Sunday. So we'll catch a break from the storms, but we'll have more chances for some thunderstorms as we get into the first part of next week. Probably Monday night heading into Tuesday, I think, will be our best chance for the rain and thunderstorms as we head into next week. But obviously the rain and storms moving through, that's going to cause some big problems with the roads out there. So let's get over to Brianna.